Right, guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to lock Brave browser with a password, guys. It's actually really easy and simple, guys. First things first, you want to come here and search for Chrome Web Store. Here, right here, guys. Click on that Chrome Web Store, or just chromewebstore.google.com, okay? And then what I want you to do is just first search for this free extension, okay? Just click on this and search for lock. Right here, guys, browser lock your browser. When you click on this, okay, once this loads up, we're gonna install this. Okay, we're gonna add this to Brave. We're gonna click right here, add this to Brave. Okay, and of course, I want to add locate extension. It can read all this and read your browsing history, all that. Okay, that's fine with me. I'm gonna add this extension. It's completely safe, guys. So we're gonna add this extension, and I'm gonna show you just how to set this up so you have locked your browser. All right, it is installing right now, so we're just waiting for this to install. Okay, it's adding it to Brave. We're just waiting for a little bit. And once it's done, I'm going to show you how we're going to sign up to this extension. And then I'm going to show you how to set up the password so we can log. We have to log in. Every time we open the browser, we'll have to log in. Okay, guys? I'm going to show you just how we can do that once this adds to Brave. All right, guys, it has now done adding to Brave. We're going to see this extension here. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Okay, it's going to open this up. Okay, right here. That is okay, and I'm going to start in a few steps. We're going to start this process. Just click on start now. And then now we have to register, guys. We have to register. I don't want you to see my password, so, all right, you cannot see my password, so that's okay. So I'm going to register really quick. My name's going to be Pioneer Legend. Okay, Pioneer Legend. And then pioneer213 at gmail.com. Browser password, I'm not going to show you or tell you guys what the password is. I'm just going to put in a password. I'm not going to be telling you what I'm putting in right now. Just click on register. And guys, we have now registered. Okay. Later, I would wait you later. Okay. So I will do this later. I don't have to verify right now. So we have to turn on this setting. Browser lock, we need browser lock, and we need auto lock. So every time your browser is first open, it's first locked, okay? So now, what do we do, guys? Literally easy. We just relaunch Brave, and we're gonna see if it actually worked, okay? So I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna open it up, guys. I'm gonna close all, and then I'm gonna open up Brave again, and we're gonna see if this actually worked, guys. And are we gonna be prompted with a password? Let's see. Let's see if it actually worked, guys, okay? All right, so now Brave is loading up. Hopefully it asks me to put in my password for it to work, okay, guys? All right, so Brave is just about to start, and guys, look, check this out. It is literally asking me for my browser password. I'm gonna type in my browser password right now that I set up. I'm gonna press login. Oh, wow, guys. Now I have logged into my browser, and it opened the same tabs I had before. Guys, it is literally that easy and simple, guys. So you can protect your privacy, whatever you are doing. If you don't want those people to see it, inaccessible to unauthorized users, you can do this wherever you are, home, work, doesn't matter, guys. It was actually that easy and simple. So if the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe to Ninja Guide.